Okay, scholars, I am back in our art bookshelf in our level 1G. Yesterday we read Bear Gets a Hat. Today we're going to read The Big Sneeze. So I'm going to click on that book to open it and to get started. The Big Sneeze. What was that? That was me. That was big. No, it was little. Why do you do that? It is the flowers. Can you do a big one? Yes, I can do a big one. Here we go. Sniff, sniff. Ah. Sniff, sniff. Ah. This will be big. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Ah. Here we go. Choo! That was big. Yes, it was. All right, here are our power words from this story. I, hear, do, can, me, know, what, big, that, it, was, little, you, why, the, a, we, go, be, is, yes, one, this, will. All right, your turn. Follow Miss Esther's cursor and say the words. Awesome job, scholars. Now we're going to go back to the beginning of the story, and I'm going to let you read the story in your head. All right, here we go. The Big Sneeze. The Big Sneeze.